Achieving perfect eyeliner can be tricky. It all comes down to precision, a long wearing eyeliner, and a lot of luck, honestly. Enter eyeliner tattoos. Also known as permanent eyeliner, eyeliner tattoos have been around for decades, and specialists for this treatment have perfected their makeup tattooing technique for natural-looking results. With eyeliner tattoos, you can have perfect, permanent eyeliner in just one appointment. Curious about this treatment? We interviewed 2 permanent makeup artists and a dermatologist to break down everything you need to know about permanent eyeliner tattoos, from how much it costs to what to expect when receiving the treatment. Also known as an eyeliner tattoo, permanent eyeliner is a treatment you can receive that replaces the need to wear eyeliner each day. Permanent eyeliner is a method of placing pigment along the lash line under the skin, similar to tattooing, says Nazarian. If permanent eyeliner is something you are considering, have a consultation with a professional technician first to weigh your options and learn more about the service. There are a few styles you can choose from, and once you've decided on the eyeliner that will suit you best, you can move forward with your treatment. It's always recommended to bring in inspiration photos. For starting out, I would recommend the Lash Line Enhancement Liner to everyone. I think it is a staple and good for those that want to go natural before committing to a full classic wing style, which is thicker. If you wear makeup on a regular basis and want your eyeliner to stand out more, Ton suggests a winged eyeliner. I love the classic winged eyeliner for someone who wears eye makeup on a regular basis, as it can give a subtle lift to the eyes. You can always start small and add more as you go when receiving touch-ups. If a permanent eyeliner tattoo isn't your thing but you still want the benefit of having an enhanced lash line, there's a semi-permanent treatment called Lash Line Enhancement that you may want to consider as an alternative. The application process is extremely similar, but unlike eyeliner tattoos, this treatment uses a vegetable-based dye that the body absorbs over time, which means this treatment only lasts about 6 to 9 months. Tan, who owns her own permanent makeup business in Vancouver, states that the procedure is quite safe, but emphasizes how important it is to find a seasoned specialist that you trust. Eyeliner tattoos tend to run at a starting price of $475 and will last 3 to 5 years. However, Ton recommends a touch-up every 2 years. Touch-ups typically run for about half the cost of the initial tattoo, but it again varies on the condition of your permanent eyeliner. There is very little downtime after receiving an eyeliner tattoo, and it's normal for the color to fade naturally within 2 to 3 weeks. If your skin feels sensitive along the lashes, you can apply some Vaseline 1-2 times per day for 1 week to keep the area hydrated and prevent any further irritation. Avoid rubbing the eyes and wearing eye makeup until you feel comfortable doing so. Whether you opt for a permanent eyeliner tattoo or try out a lash line enhancement, there are options available for anyone who wants to have the look of eyeliner without all the hard work attached to it. There are a few elements that can affect your liner tattoo in regards to how long it actually lasts. Depending on your lifestyle and daily activities, results might differ for each person. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.